my last bit of jack marinade I'm making. So this right here for 2025. Just once I blend that up, you know, got my fresh ginger in there, fresh garlic, fresh thyme, my pimento, my onion, you know, scotch bonnet, and all my rest of my ingredients, olive oil. So that's gonna be concentrate. So that's gonna do about, I'll say about let me see, I'll say about 4 of these jars right there. Because it's concentrated in it, so it's gonna blend it down. And then, oh, seeing I love my fish, so I made some sherry pepper sauce too. That's for you fish lovers. Bermuda people, like all island people, we do fish chowder. My last bit of esclavice vegetables that are done for the year. That will last you the whole year. The longer you keep vegetables marinating in vinegar and sugar in order to just get better and better. So I've done that. I've done some pickled onions too, but ate them. But yeah, that's the last bit for the year. That's what grind up, guys. Got everything in there ready, look. Ready? Let's go. Oh my gosh. Now keep in mind this is marinade, so when you want to make it into jack dipping sauce, solidify it down a bit, you know what I mean? So that, look at that, look. Look how much turn the light on that. Look at the spices in that, look guys. Now that's proper, authentic Montego Bay jack marinade, but made in Birmingham, UK, because that's where I live, innit? Look at that. If you want it a bit darker, which I don't because it's the right consistency I want, I just add a little bit of gravy browning. You don't want to put too much gravy browning because gravy browning is bitter. But look at that, guys, look at that. Hold on. Look at that. Look how thick that is, look. That's marinade, look, look. Lovely. So that's my last bit of cooking I'm doing for the year when it comes to everything long. It takes a long time. That, my jack sauce, my esclavice vegetables, pickled vegetables, my my hot sauce for my fish, you know, yeah. And then I'm gonna do some, my last meal for the year is chicken vegetable soup. So I got some peri chicken breast, 2 of them with the bone in that I had freezing and then marinating. And then I've got rich and smoky chorizo. So I'm having chicken vegetable soup with chorizo. Gonna put some pumpkin seeds in there, vegetables. Watch, you guys can see. Last meal for the year. Love.